excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Banzi, and today I've got a website that you can use to make $22 by just shrinking some links. What do you mean by shrinking some links? Give me a second and I'll give you the details right here. Before I reveal the details, my friend, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money. I make videos that show people how to make money leveraging the power of the internet. And if it is your desire to use the internet to make money, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Without wasting your time, my friend, let me just show you the website which I'm talking about. The website is called shrinkme.io, right? And it says shorten URLs and earn money. Highest paying URL shortener, join now and earn up to $220 per 10,000 views. Right. So what it means is that you earn $220 when 10,000 people view your link, your shortened link. Okay. Right. Let me give you the details. This is how it works. You create an account, you shorten your link, and then you earn. Okay? And earn extra money. Why join us? What is shrinkme.io? Shrinkme.io is a completely free tool where you can create short links, which apart from being free, you get paid. So now you can make money from home when managing and protecting your links. How and how much do I earn? How can you start making money with ShrinkMe? It's just 3 steps. Create an account, create a link, and post it. For every visit, you earn money. It's just that easy, okay? Then they have a referral program as well. ShrinkMe referral program is a great way to spread the word of this great service and earn even more money with your short links. Refer friends, receive 20% of their earnings for life. Okay, look at this one. Low minimum payouts. You are required to earn only $5 before you will be paid. We can pay all users via PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can sign up for a PayPal account, paypal.com, and then you sign up for a free personal account. Okay, look at the total clicks, 22 million clicks so far, 5 million URLs shortened, 137,000 registered users. Okay, and this is the registration form, dead easy. Okay, right? And these are the other ways you can get paid. Payoneer, besides PayPal, there is Payoneer, Bitcoin, Paytm, UPI, that's for India, Skrill, Payer, okay? Then bank transfer, right? So you can request a bank transfer right from here. Okay, let's look at the payout rates. What makes us different? You sign up and you get a $1 bonus. Minimum payouts, $5, and they pay daily. You earn today and you get your money today, okay? The different rates for different countries, all right? So if you are in Greenland, right, and someone clicks your link, you get $22, either on desktop or on mobile or tablet. Ireland, $16. Belgium, $7.50. US, $7. UK, $7. Canada, $6.50. Singapore, $6.50. New Zealand, $6, and so forth. Right? If you are in India, it's $3. Right? Mexico, $3. And if you are in Vietnam, it's $2.50 per thousand. If 1,000 people view your link, this is how much you get. You might be now asking yourself, where do you get the viewers? Just stay with me, my friend. I'll show you where to get the views, thousands and thousands of them, okay? Visitors must be unique within 24 hours. must view your page for at least 10 seconds. It means, you see, your shortened link, if they view it for at least 10 seconds, then you get paid that much, right? So you can say you earn $22 per 10 seconds. All right. So that's correct to say that. All right. And must have a JavaScript enabled, must have cookies enabled, and reach the destination page. All right. Let me show you the payment proofs. Payment proof right here. And we are talking of July. This is the 6th of July, right? And at 4:22 p.m., someone earned $14 via PayPal. That one at 3:22 p.m., $5.81. That one, $11. And look at that one, $51.44, right? At 5:26 a.m. on the 5th of July. Yesterday, someone earned $51, and that was via PayPal. You can see the rest of the payment proof right here. Before I show you the viewers, you might also be asking, so where is the link? Where do I get the link which I have to shorten for me to get this money? Old friend Google, and you can type in anything, something like lose weight, something like make money online, something like anything, any niche, anything that you want. For our demonstration purposes, we are looking at losing weight, shrink belly fat. All right. So I just typed in shrink belly fat, and Google, our old friend, gave me all the blogs that talk about shrinking belly fat. Okay, belly fat. Right. So once you are pleased with one of them, say this one, click this one, right? It gives us that's the article. 8 ways to lose belly fat and live a healthier life. You copy the URL at the top, that link. You copy it, and then you go with it to shrinkme.io. You paste it in there. You just paste it there, and then you shrink it. Right? You see, that's our shortened link. Once you have that shortened link, how does this website make money? This website makes money by advertising. The way you are going to make money with this website is that you share the revenue, the advertising revenue which this company gets when a link is clicked. Let me show you where to get the traffic, where to get the viewers. There's a website called Fiverr, fiverr.com. On the search bar, you type in Instagram shout out. So there is another video about Fiverr. If you don't know Fiverr, Fiverr is a freelance website. People come here outsourcing services, and also people come here providing those services. So right here, we've got 819 services available. People who can do shout out on Instagram. Right. So look at this one now. It says, I'll give you a shout out to my 640,000 verified Instagram page. I'll give you this one. It says, I'll give you shout out promotion on my 300,000 Instagram. Right. So, and look at the price. It's £8. We might say, okay, this is $10 US dollars. Right. So for $10 US dollars, this person, this influencer is going to expose your link, the shrinked link or the shortened link, to their 300,000 Instagram followers right there. Okay. Just imagine. Now, you don't care about 300,000. Just look at maybe 1% of 300,000. Okay, let's pull out our calculator. Calculator is here. And we've got 300,000. And then you just get 2% maybe, or 10% to click your link, right? So multiply by 0.1, that's 10%, okay? What is the answer? That's 30,000. 30,000 are clicking your link. Probably you might say 10% is too much. Let's say 2%, 0.02. Okay, answer 6,000. Right, so you've got 6,000 and you're being paid $22 per thousand. So just imagine now, 22 times 6. So you are already in money, my friend. Okay, so this is not difficult to do. You can do the math. We're just looking at 2% here of 300,000. It can be more. It can be 20% of 300,000. It can be 30% of 300,000. That's quite a lot of potential for you to make money. So this is how you're going to make $22 for shrinking some links. This is a fantastic way of making money, dipping your feet in the waters, learning how to leverage the power of the internet, making money. Okay, right. The only downside about what I've just described to you, my friend, is that this is active income. There is another twist to making money using the power of the internet. You can make money passively. You can make money whilst you are asleep. You can make money whilst you are traveling on vacation. You can make money whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, with your wife, with your husband, with your family. You can make money whilst you're doing the more important things of life. You can make money whilst you are visiting some of the places that you desired to visit from a long time ago. Why? Because you now have the cash to pay for that. I've got a link in the description below which can give you the details of what I've just hinted right here. Okay, if you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos. See you later.